Hey everybody, it's Jason back at you with another exciting video. Well, after years of faithful service, my Central Electric Bandfile finally gave up. And so I went to Harbor Freight and I was going to buy another one. And they now have one from Bauer. This is the 5.3 amp, half-inch wide, 18-inch long Bandfile sander. And they also sell replacement belts. These are 5 packs. They come in 80, 120, 180, and 240 grit. However, if you don't like these, you can go to Empire Abrasives. Now check this out. Not only do they have the same aluminum oxide belts, but they also have that blue zirconium belt. And they also have surface conditioning belts that look like the 3M Scotch-Brites. And they've got them in 4 hardnesses. They've got the brown, the red, the green, and the blue. And those are, you know, all different hardnesses. But they are really good for like polishing down something like some stainless steel or some aluminum. You know, something like that. So let's get this open and see what's in it. Okay, I don't normally do unboxings, but I just wanted to show this to you. I do already have the tape cut, but this thing spins at 2,300 feet per minute, and I can't tell you how handy these things are. Alright, so this is what it is, and it's basically, you know, if you subtract this part, it just looks like a regular grinder, but it's got this special head on it, and you can see that it's rotatable 180 degrees to really give you, you know, access into some really tough spots. It has a 7-foot cord. It comes with an extra band, and it's got a band on it. You do have to have a little Allen wrench to take this cover off to replace the belt. I wish they would have just made that a screwdriver or a Phillips head. I may just replace that with a Phillips head. But you take this off, slip the new one on, and when you do that, you turn this knob right here, and this tensions the belt. Okay, now when this thing starts running, it's going to start running like this, and you use this knob right here to move the belt back and forth. If it keeps on popping off, then you need to adjust this belt so that it's running true and it stays on. I don't know if I mentioned, but it does have a 7-foot cord, and they do give you an Allen wrench to replace that. But like I said, I'm probably going to take that out and just replace it with a Phillips head. But this is 5.3 amps, 2,300 feet per minute. This thing spins, and it is really good for, as an example, getting down into a little spot where you can't normally get to, or maybe, you know, it's up against a you know, angle. You can get in there and really just sand that down good. And it's good for polishing down your welds, but also for prep. And when you get it to the position that you want, you can lock it down with this knob. And I use this thing all the time, and I can't tell you how handy it is. And so when my old one burned up, now I've had that thing 15 years maybe, so it was about due to be replaced anyway. But it does have the threads on here. You could put a handle from your angle grinder on there if you wanted to. But anyway, I just want to show this to you. If you don't have one, think about getting one. They're really nice. and it does come with the owner's manual. And don't immediately throw this out. Read this, because it tells you how to reload the belts and how to adjust the knob for the tracking, and that's stuff that you may want to know. But if you don't have one, I highly suggest getting one. It's been a staple in my shop for quite a while, and I can't even start to tell you how many times I've used that. So if you want to pick one of these up, head up to Harbor Freight, pick you up one of these. They're about $55 plus tax, and very, very handy. So anyway, I enjoy y'all's comments. Please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and y'all have a great weekend.